Hi my YouTube loves. Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today I was feeling very fall inspired, and so I came up with this look for you guys. I feel like this is fall to the max, and what I like about this look is that it's not a Halloween look, but also that you could wear it to anything. If you're going a night out with your girls and you want to feel a little more jazzy, or if you have a dinner, or you could even wear this for Thanksgiving or Christmas or anything like that, or any holiday party you have if you feel a little bit more jazzy wazzy. I didn't put on any falsies with this look, but feel free to put some on to kind of give it more vavoom to it, but I just didn't this time. And I use for the eyes, let's not get it twisted, I go back to some oldies, the Morphe 35O and the Morphe 15N, and then for the glitter I used the NYX and the Wet n Wild Pigment, and then to add the last I used the Revlon Photo Eye Party. And so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you check out some of my other videos. If you're interested, just go to my channel, subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and all that jazz. And I guess without further ado, let's get into the fall. Bye guys. We're just taking this primer and putting it all over our faces. Dun 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 dun. Okay, for concealers, we're using this combo right here. And we're just taking this little Pro concealer. This is a True Beauty brush. I got this at TJ Maxx in a set of 5. And I just kind of pat. And I'm going to use this E.L.F. Perfect Finishing Powder in clear. And it looks very white. I'm going to use that to go under the eyes. This is a Morphe brush. It just doesn't have a label on it. And I'm just going right underneath the eye. Do you guys see that? It just blurs everything out beautifully. Like, this powder does much. For the rest of the face, I'm just using the Dream Matte powder in Honey. Honey, are you home? And I'm just taking this True Beauty Pro Powder brush. Brows are here. Now we're going to do the eyes, and then we'll go back to the face. So I'm just priming with Urban Decay Primer Potion.
And I'm old school. I just use my finger.
And then I'm just setting it with my Wet n Wild Creme Brulee eyeshadow. Since I want like a very burnt fall orange, I'm going to go back. I'm going to take it to one of our classics, the Morphe 35O palette, which everyone was obsessing with for a very long time. The Morphe R35, and I'm just taking a neutral shade to get started. So I'm going to go in with this guy right here.
I'm just blending.
And so then to deepen it up, now I'm going in with this shade right here. Same brush. And I'm beginning to add some of that warmth. The blending E25 Sigma E25. I'm going to start building this up, so I'm going to go in with the very orange color right up here. I'm just picking it up on the brush. I'm going to start buffing this in. I'm taking the Morphe 15N. I've done a look with this before. You can check it out. I'll link it down below. And I'm going in with the color Cliche, which is this one right here. I'm going in with the Sigma E32, which is a little bit more, there we go, a little bit more dense, so it can pack in color much better. Okay, and then going back in with the Sigma E25, I'm just blending. That same packing brush and into the color Cliche, we're packing it on. We're going to go back into that same super bright orange right here, that same E25, and we're just going to add this to the outer because we do want to diffuse it, and we definitely want to add some color.
Like, it just blends everything so beautifully.
I like this. I was feeling like I hadn't done a colorful eye in a minute, so I'm excited. I feel like all my eyes always end up like so freaking bronzed. So I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Loose Pigment. This is in the shade Gold Pigment. So creative. And the key to this is tapping it out on the lid. And once you have some on the lid, then using that to apply. So you want to make sure you have enough. It's like a salt shaker. Shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt. Oh, I'm so excited about this moment. Y'all don't even know. Okay, so I'm just taking the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to take this little Wet n Wild flat brush. It's literally like barely there.
Looks like that. And I'm just tapping this in.
Taking a different flat brush, this one right here. It's so old I can't even tell you if you can get it anymore. I'm just gonna tap.
Ballet dancer or tap dancer.
So going in back with Cliche, which is that color, I'm just gonna try to blend in some right here. Okay. I'm happy with that glitter glue. I'm happy with that. And now I was gonna add some more stuff. Should we add more stuff? This is the Revlon Photoready Eye Art, and these are amazing. If you've never tried them, go get them. You can find them at Walgreens. I think like $8 a piece, but they come with a cream shadow on one side and then a glitter on the other. Okay, let me find my little shader brush so I can Do you guys see how that just brings a look to a whole nother level? Do you guys see that?
What?
I'm just taking this Wet n Wild flat brush and I'm taking the color Custom right here to highlight our brow bone. Okay, let's finish the rest of our face and then we'll get back to the eye. Y'all already know I've been using this bronzer for a while. I really do like it. Nothing compares to it. I recommend it any day, every day. And the new brush that I've been using that I'm a little obsessed with is the True Beauty Flat Top Kabuki. And it's just this little guy like this. And I just go ahead and dip it and I stamp it per se.
I think it does a very good job of chiseling.
And then going in with this guy, which is a Morphe R2. He's a little bit domed, a little bit fluffed. We're gonna actually add some of the middle color right here. And as you can see, I've hit pan on that color. And I'm gonna bronze it up. And now for blush, I'm taking the angled brush by that same some more color with the Lorac blush in Cinematic, also one of my faves.
There we go. This is the kind of blush I like. Just gives me more. It's like a burnt rose color. Yeah. Okay. I might have gone overboard.
And for highlight, I'm going to be trying the Kylie Cosmetics pressed powder, and I don't know if this was from her STOM collection or what. I'm going to go in with this one right here, which should be Daydream. And first I'm going to wet my brush, because that's what I always do. And this is the Morphe R36. We all know it. We all love it.
And I'm gonna apply it. Oh.
Wow. 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 It is a new Wet n Wild eyeliner. Oh, Megaslim. First time I tried it, I didn't really enjoy it, so it's got this tiny ass flippin' tip. And for mascara, if y'all been watching me, you know I'm obsessed with this one. This is the Essence Volume Stylist Curl and Hold with microstyling waxes. And I love it.
In your face. I kind of feel like I don't want to cover it up. We'll see. I mean, my lashes are long enough that I feel like. Yeah. You see?
Go into that purple. I know I'm a mess. That Click purple. And with that same brush we've been using, but I'm not adding any product. I'm just kind of running this under here. And with this flat one, I'm going to go in to a darker purple. It's called Scene. It's on the 15N. It's this corner one right here.
Close to the waterline.
So I'm just taking one of these little domed pencil brushes, and this is the Morphe R41. And I'm going in with the color Shook, which is in that same palette. And I'm just kind of running this here. Okay. And for the waterline, I'm using the Tart Closeup Lash Liner, which is just a... I'm going to take the Wet n Wild lip Gel Lip Liner. This is what it looks like. It's in the shade Bare to Comment.
Line the lips.
Very creamy, but it's also it's got like a very pink undertone, but not too pink. Pink peach. And then I'm taking the ABH lipstick in the color Buff.
And this one definitely tones down the lipstick. That lip.
And then to top it off, we're using the ABH lip gloss in Ashton. I believe this is Ashton. And this has like an orange tint, so I don't like it more neutral. See? That's it. Thank you for watching. Oh no, that's not it. We're just gonna set it with the Milani Make It Last. Now that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye guys.